Hello family, warmest welcome back to the Lovisa channel. I know you clicked on this to know how Ghanaians made their party salad, so please stay tuned while I walk you through. These are the ingredients. Let's take a quick tour. I love to have my Roman salad, my iceberg, and my cucumber. I do not tend to like too much tomatoes, so I go for just one, 3 carrots, 1 red onions, baked beans, some sweet corns, hard-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, sardines, some ketchup. I will list all the ingredients in my description box, so please do well to check it out. So I go ahead to wash all my vegetables. I go ahead to peel off all the skin from my carrots and onions as well, and also go ahead to wash all my vegetables. Washing my vegetables neatly, I just go ahead to chop the ones that are supposed to be chopped and grate the ones that are supposed to grate. I love my carrot to be grated like so. I think it's just so beautiful. The outcome is just so beautiful, and yeah, it makes the presentation also really very nice. So lots more of chopping and cutting. Okay, it's time to just cut off all my vegetables, and I love to cut everything round like this, but you can absolutely do in any shape and forms that you prefer. So prefer my tomatoes to be seedless as possible, but you can go ahead to also leave the seeds if you love to enjoy your salad with the seeds of the tomatoes. It's totally fine. So more choppings and more cuttings going on here. Using this type of salad, it's really very important to open the parts and really wash it very well, so you can avoid any kind of insect that is in there hiding. Okay, and it's really very good to also know that your salad is healthy, but you have to make sure it is clean to get all that nutrients that you want from it. Okay, all done now, and we're about to put things together. And it's really very important that you take note of how, if it's for party, obviously you're going to make it in a big batch, and big batch means it's going to stay for a very longer time. So please again, avoid using your hands, because it might go bad by using your hands. Okay, just find something other than your hands to just lay your salad for it to be able to stay for a very long time. This salad, when I make it, it can last me for over a week without going bad at all. But once you use your hands, it has the tendency of going bad. We're going to spread a little bit of salad seasoning on top, and if you do not have any salad seasoning at home, please do well to sprinkle a little bit of salt on it, just a little bit. No oil here, okay, just a little bit of salt. This mixed well, you just go ahead to introduce your carrots. I love to go in with my carrots right now, because yes, those beautiful colors are just so amazing to watch. Yeah, just lay it. You don't have to just put everything together, just present it nicely. Carrot is spread well. I just go ahead to, sprinkle a little bit of my baked beans on top. Yes, Ghana salad and baked beans are just the best of friends. It makes everything so yummy. I don't know if you've tasted any salad with baked beans, but if you haven't, you're missing out. Let me tell you, you are missing out, because the baked beans just make it so yummy. First layer of baked beans is done, so a little bit of onion on top. And of course, if you do not love onions, you do not like onions like some people don't, please omit this. It is fine to just take it out. It is okay. All right, so the onions are in now, we're going to put our tomatoes and then our sweet corns. And this also is very optional. Not quite popular to see sweet corns in your Ghana salad, but I love it, so I just tend to add a little bit of it. Okay, so once that is done, I just go ahead with another layer of salad and my cucumber, and we are almost building this salad into a beautiful creation. The first thing about this salad is it's all up to you how you like your salad. Okay, lots of people do not like sardines, but I find it very nice when you pair it up here. You can also go ahead to use some corned beef, but normally, you know, very authentically, this is what you're going to see in your Ghana salad. You normally will find sardines in. I don't know why, but it makes it very tasty. Okay, so after the sardines are in, there goes my eggs, and of course my very last layer of baked beans is going to pop up pretty shortly. Yes, family, we are basically done. If you are lucky enough to know that during your party there is someone that does not like mayonnaise and ketchup, then please end here. That means your salad is done. Typical Ghanaian salad, you're going to find your mayonnaise and ketchup on top. Yes, it gives it the final glow. Yeah, you need to glow your salad up like this. To please everybody, you can just end there and then put your mayonnaise and ketchup aside on the side. Okay, so anybody who likes it will just take some and then sprinkle it on top of their salad. But I'm home with my family, so I know what they like, so I'm going ahead to sprinkle it a little bit on it. And I don't also want too much of ketchup, so just a little bit of it. Okay, and you are done now. Look how beautiful this salad is looking. Are you not tempted to try? If you've not tasted before, please, this is the right time. The recipe is out here now. Please do well to try it. It is so yummy and so inviting. The best thing about this salad is it tastes better the day after, and you can pair it with all your rice recipes, bread, eat it all by itself as well. Thank you so much, family, for joining me till the end. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please do well to click on the like button, share to others for others to also enjoy. And if this is your first time here, please do well to subscribe and join the family. And do not also forget to click on the little bell, so any new video that I post, you'll be notified. Thank you so much once again, family, and have a blessed holiday. See you in my next one.